We've just got a couple of little kangaroos around the back. I'm just going to see how close I can get to them. So we've got to be really quiet, right? And we'll just see how close we can get. Now, kangaroos are normally a little bit towy, and you can't get too close to them. These are wild kangaroos. There they are there, look. Shh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get... They're going to be able to hear me. They're listening, look. Seen me. See that? I might as well stand up. Just watching me. I'm just going to go around the side of this shed. They'll probably jump away. And there they are there, look. Lovely. So how close do you think I could go to them? I'm just going to try and go a little bit closer. And they're off. Now if I get between them and a tree, they can see my shadow, so... And they're off again. Pretty smart, really. So that's how close we can get to a kangaroo. So there you go. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. I've got something like this for you today. Do you have trouble with one of these? Now this is a 5-inch sanding disc. For sanding Queenslanders and timber and stuff like that. Look at it. It's all bent. If you see one like that, don't buy it because it's useless. Okay. Now when you put that on your sander, it's just going to be everywhere. It's stuffed. Basically, you buy that from the paint store. It's stuffed. You need to buy them straight like that. Don't buy them like this. This is what happens when they've left out for a while. It doesn't have to get wet. It can just be sitting out there. You see them in the shelves at the hardware store, at the paint store. They take them out of the box and they hang them up there and they look like that. Don't buy them. I'm going to show you a secret on how to store. When you take them out of the packet, always buy them in a pack. Okay. When you take them out of a packet, put them in this. This is a little press that I've made. Now, if you want to bring this back to flat like this, you need to soak it. Hopefully the stones don't come off. Then you need to put it in this press and do it up. It's a simple one. This is just for a 4-inch sanding disc. They're all older ones in there. Now I use a 7-inch sander, which is this one here. I use a 7-inch sander as well. Okay. So they're a sander polisher. They're pretty bloody good. Now this is how I store my disc. Once again, it's a press. Okay, so when I pull these out, these are going to be straight. They're all my 4 and 5-inch sanding discs there. I can put some pressure on this here to bring them back in. But that's them there. That's how I store my discs. Very, very simple, but I'll tell you what, this hasn't been used for, well, the last time I used it, I actually was doing one of my own houses, so it was the last time I sanded. So we're talking 12-18 months ago since I've sanded anything, and that's what they are. They're being put in there, and I've actually even put the 5-inch in amongst the 7-inch. So that's how you store your disc when you buy them. Another little helpful tip from the painter.